Hello, this is Aditya, UR16 CS008, and this is my 10th experiment in C++ object-oriented C++ lab, which is a file handling. So what I've done, I've made two programs in my 10th experiment of file handling. My first question is that to make a file or make a Word document file in which it will copy or rewrite the words which is starting with lowercase vowel. So what I have done in my program is that already I've made a in F drive I made a txt file name first. So this is my content which is written I am an ironic boy. It is all written in caps of. So what I've done, I've used two header folder of C++. First is hashtag include ifstream and second is hashtag include fstream. And in the main, I've taken fstream type variable name file which will be used for insertion, and offstream of which will be used for means to taking the output of my file from a program. So I've used a variable name as word which is of type string. So file is working as cin. It is working as my insertion files. File.open, it will open my the I've given the path. It will open my first.txt, and of.open will create a new file which is name of second.txt while we compile the program. While file inserted word means it will the file will insert the word which I am entering. It will that file, the new file created, it will insert the word. It will till the words in that my first.txt get over. It will keep on inserting that words in my second.txt. With the condition is this: if words first letter, the zeroth letter means the first letter is a, e, I, o, u means if it starts with any of the vowel, and that vowel is, if it is in lowercase, then in my output file it will print that particular word which is having the starting word with a, e, I, o, u in caps lock. So I will tell you by running my program, executing my program. So it is completed running. So we will go on our F drive. See, we can see another file name second has been created over here, and our first file was this one, that I am an ironic boy in small. Now if we'll check our this one, it just printed I am ironic, because every word in this sentence starts with a vowel which is of uppercase. But in my first file, the input file, boy was also there, but boy, the first letter of boy is a consonant, so it have not appeared over here in the my output file. So this was my first program. Now we'll move on to our next program. This is another program which I made for transform. Transform means my second program is of, if my input file will contain a string, a sentence which is all of small lowercase, and that output file which my compiler will give will contain the same string or the same sentence in uppercase. Every letter written over there will be transformed into uppercase. So I've used here 4 header files. The new header file which have been used is hashtag include algorithm. This is for the main keyword transform, to make the use of this transform keyword. So in the main, again I've used file as my input, of as my output. Again I've used a string named word. File.open, it will open. I've made a file, the text in D drive. I will show you. Okay, it is there. The content over is I'm an ironic boy. It is all in lowercase. Okay, then again what my compiler will do when I will compile this, it will create a new file named the 2. Okay, which will and it will rewrite means file insertion word means it will keep on inserting the word till the complete word or the sentence in my first input file gets over, with condition that transform its syntax is like that: it will start from the beginning of that word, it will go till the end, and it will create a pointer variable which will convert each of the word in the lowercase to uppercase. Okay, so I will help you by compiling this. So compiled. So now we can go on to our D drive and see it already created the 2 folder. Open. it contains everything in small. What our input was this, and the output which we got is this. So this was my second experiment in the 10th part. So thank you. अबे वीडियो रुक ही नहीं रहा है।